Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by assembling precise ingredients. 3 cups day-old cooked basmati rice, 3 large room-temperature eggs, 2 tablespoons neutral oil, and 2 tablespoons ghee optional. Measure 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon fennel powder. Soak 8 saffron strands in 2 tablespoons warm milk for 5 minutes to bloom flavor and color. Thinly slice 2 green onions and chop 2 tablespoons fresh coriander. Keep soy sauce and 1 tablespoon kewpie or light soy handy for optional seasoning. Heat a large wok or heavy skillet over high heat until almost smoking, then add 2 tablespoons oil and 1 tablespoon ghee if you want Kashmiri richness. Beat 3 eggs with a pinch of salt and quickly scramble them in the hot pan until just set. Push eggs to the side. Add 3 cups day-old rice, breaking clumps with the back of a spatula. Drizzle the saffron milk, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili, and 1/2 teaspoon fennel powder. Toss rapidly to coat. Finish by tasting and adjusting seasoning. Add a final 2 tablespoons chopped coriander and 2 sliced green onions, tossing gently. Let the fried rice rest off heat for 2 minutes so saffron and fennel aromas bloom through the rice. Serve immediately with half a lemon for squeezing, an extra drizzle of saffron milk for color, or 1/4 cup toasted almonds or cashews for crunch. For heat, add 1 teaspoon green chili or 1/2 teaspoon crushed Kashmiri chili flakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.